Hi guys, I'm Karthikesh. In every product we are using in day-to-day life will have a barcode. So in this video we are going to create a barcode using Python. So let's go and let's get it. First we need to check the documentation of the library. So I give the link in the description, you can check it out. So this is the library we are going to use in this project. So in this documentation, the barcode library have so many classes which like EAN 8, 13 and code 39, code 120. There are so many classes, but we are going to use just one classes. The EN 8 represent like 8 numbers, 13 is to 13 numbers, but the code 39 and code 128 is using of numbers and as well as strings. Okay, let's move on to our terminal and give a command to install the library pip install python barcode. Okay, it's a syntax to download the library. Okay, I already downloaded. After downloading the library, we need to import the library. So just use the import keyword to import the library. Import, and the name of the library is barcode. And then we are creating a variable which is data. We will fill it later. Okay, then we are going to create another variable which is k, and we are calling the library barcode. From the library we are calling a specific function get barcode class. I previously mentioned that we are using class in the library. Okay, here we are going to use the class 128. Okay, which we can use both numbers as well as strings. Okay, it's a code 128. Okay, next we are creating another variable which is r, and we calling the variable k and passing the data as a parameters. Okay, next we are creating a final variable which is c equal to r dot save. Within this bracket we are going to give a name of the barcode file. Okay, here is barcode. Okay, the coding is over. Let me explain it. First we are importing the library. Next we using creating a variable data, and we creating a variable k and calling the library as well as the function, and within this brackets we are giving the class, and we are creating another variable r and passing the data as a parameter to the variable k. So let's clear it. There is no need of another variable c. Okay, this is r dot save, and within this brackets we are giving the name of the file. So in this variable data we need to give a data to show the barcode. Okay, create a barcode. So it is Karthikeshrobotics. Let me run it. You see that the error. In this class code 128, no need of spaces. Okay, the file is saved in the directory file. Let me check it. So see here, barcode.svg. Let me scan it. Okay, so see here, when we scan the barcode, we is given a data. Just Karthikeshrobotics, we are already given it. Let me change the data to Karthikeshrobotics to numbers 2218. Okay, let's run it and change the name of the file also. So here barcode YT. Let me scan it again. Okay, see here, there's given a data 2218. So we created a barcode using Python. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics.